This renovation, like all others presented on our channel, is supervised by the Austrian Institute for Building Protection.
Today we're taking you to a water-damaged apartment in Vienna's 9th district. This time our service involves the installation of vertical and horizontal insulation in the ground floor section of the building where the aforementioned apartment suffering from extensive water damage was located. The walls of this tenement, situated very close to the walls of the adjacent building, which is 1.5 meters taller due to failed waterproofing and an air chimney effect drawing moisture up from the ground, absorbed a huge amount of water over the years and started to resemble a sponge. As a direct consequence of this, numerous colonies of fungi and mold appeared on them. The situation therefore appeared quite dramatic. Symptoms of dampness in the masonry walls had been present in the apartment for a long time. Our client had previously taken simple steps to address the problem. He used a dehumidifier and ventilation, but of course in such adverse conditions it couldn't bring the desired effect. At some point the dampness, mold and fungus became so persistent that the client decided to solve the problem once and for all. He began his search for a contractor. He collected several offers from the market and selected ours. What was important here was that we offered a different solution than the competition and also the longest warranty. Additionally, for years we've been doing work for the administrator res company which manages this tenement house where the apartment is located, among others. Our client also took this into account. What was the process of the work like? Before we started, the client handed us the keys to the apartment, so we protected the windows, floors and furniture and activated an air purifier to minimize dust during the work. Let's begin with the vertical waterproofing, which acts horizontally on the wall structure. First, we chipped off the wet plaster down to the bare bricks, then thoroughly cleaned their surface using milling. This removed old mortar residues weakened by moisture. These prepared walls were spray-coated with NCT crystal. This formed the first insulating layer. Notably, this agent initiates the process of its calcium compounds combining with unwanted water in the wall, turning into crystals. This way, the masonry structure petrifies and moisture disappears. Molds and fungi, which require water to develop, also have no chance of reappearing. This beneficial phenomenon accelerates the next agent, a dense mortar, namely NCT Chem. We applied it in a 1 centimeter layer from the floor to the ceiling. NCT Chem's purpose is also to seal off the interior of the brick partition wall from moisture present in the apartment. As for horizontal insulation, at 180 centimeters from the floor, we performed an injection to further protect the walls from moisture caused by the aforementioned air chimney effect between the two buildings. It's worth noting that its effects were visible on the building up to the first floor. We poured NCT crystal mineral agent into the holes we made in the wall every 10 centimeters, and we did this twice. This renovation will guarantee that water will absolutely not be able to pass through the apartment walls for the residents. Mortars, NCT crystal and NCT Chem. By acting on walls horizontally and binding moisture with the calcium compounds they contain, they will dry all masonry partitions and sterilize them from the spores of all microorganisms. In turn, the horizontal insulation, which we performed using the injection technique, will ensure that moisture acting on the apartment wall from the back, meaning from the side of the neighboring building, will not be able to rise. What's also important, we poured NCT crystal mineral mortar into the holes in the walls, which we drilled vertically in the corners of the apartment. This will completely eliminate water entering those hard-to-insulate places with organic materials. Incidentally, the owner of the apartment on the upper floor will benefit from this. And as we always emphasize, the walls, through petrification, a process that occurs during drying, will become significantly stronger and thus stable and crack-free for decades. Just paint them from the apartment side without extra wet plaster or skim coats, which are time-consuming and bothersome to prepare, due to the dust generated during their application. The client gave our renovation a very positive review, and it's no surprise as he received a thoroughly cleaned apartment with freshly washed floors and windows. Naturally, it was finally dry and perfectly prepared for painting, for which we consistently recommended using mineral paint. The apartment will be completely transformed, clean, comfortable, and entirely free from moisture and mold.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.